Jamie of the Devil's Customs YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. I absolutely love this build. He created this huge transformer-like creation out of the entire box. I made a comment on his video that this is like a junkyard owner's nightmare, that everything in the yard comes to life at night and seeks vengeance on those that discarded the parts. And that scares me because I'm the one who discarded these parts. But this is fantastic. I love how you used all the parts, how you created the armature to support it, how you hid that armature, and then created the base. It's a fantastic build, Jamie. Thanks for taking the challenge. Everyone go check out the video of this build. There's a link to the video in the description down below, and a link to his channel. Thanks for watching these videos. This is all about having fun with this stuff, and this is a perfect example of that. So everyone stay safe and healthy out there, and catch you in the next one.